Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hey, Maya?
Arif? Wow, I didn't expect to see you here.
Yeah, same. I almost walked past, actually.
Why didn't you?
I don't know. Felt like I shouldn't.
Or maybe you just couldn't ignore me.
Maybe that too.
So, how have you been?
Good. Busy, mostly. Work, life, you know how it is.
Yeah, same here. It's strange. Life just keeps moving, even when you're not ready.
That's true.
It's been, what, a year?
Almost. 11 months, I think.
You counted?
Not really, I just remembered.
Do you ever think about back then?
Sometimes. Not all the time, but yeah,
Same.
mostly the good parts.
Of course, no one misses the arguments.
Yeah, we had a lot of those.
We did. Do you think we argued because we cared too much or because we didn't understand each other?
Probably both.
Yeah, that sounds right.
You know, I used to think you didn't listen to me.
I did listen.
I know that now. Back then it felt like you heard me, but you didn't really get me.
That's fair. I felt the same about you sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, you'd stay quiet and I'd have no idea what you were thinking.
I guess I thought if I didn't say it, it wouldn't make things worse.
But it kind of did.
I know.
We were kind of a mess.
A beautiful mess.
Debatable.
Okay, maybe just a mess.
Do you regret it?
No, do you?
No, I don't think so.
Even the ending?
Especially the ending. It hurt, but I learned a lot.
Same here.
Like what?
Like how important it is to actually say what you feel and not assume the other person just knows.
That's a big one.
What about you?
I learned that loving someone isn't enough if you don't give them space to be themselves.
Yeah, we both needed that. Are you cold?
A little.
Right.
See? That's still you.
What?
Overthinking.
I was just trying not to make it weird.
It's already a little weird. Do you ever wonder what would have happened if we met now instead of then?
All the time.
And?
I think we'd do better.
Yeah,
Yeah, we've grown.
we have. But maybe we needed some meat then to become who we are now.
That sounds like something you would say.
Is that a compliment?
It is.
So, what happens now?
I don't know. What do you want to happen?
Honestly,
Always.
I don't want to pretend we're strangers, but I also don't want to go back to something that didn't work.
That makes sense.
Maybe we just talk, like this.
I'd like that.
You know, this turned out to be a good day,
Yeah, it did.
almost like we needed this conversation.
Maybe we did.
I should go.
Yeah, me too.
See you around?
Definitely. This place is really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it. It feels cozy. Thanks for suggesting it.
Of course. I come here sometimes when I need a quiet place to think.
I can see why. The atmosphere is really relaxing.
So, what did you order?
I got an iced caramel latte. I wanted something sweet today. What about you?
Just a regular cappuccino. I'm trying to cut down on sugar.
Oh, wow. Good for you. I always say I'll cut back, but then I see caramel.
I understand. It's hard to resist. So, how's your week going so far?
Pretty good. I've been busy with work, but nothing too stressful. How about you?
Same here. I've been working on a new project. It's exciting, but tiring.
What kind of project?
A design project for a small company. Lots of deadlines, but I enjoy it.
That's awesome. You're really good at creative stuff.
Thanks. That means a lot.
By the way, have you watched anything interesting lately?
Yeah, I started a new series on Netflix. It's pretty good. You?
I've been rewatching old movies. They help me relax.
Nice. Which one did you watch last night?
The Devil Wears Prada. I've seen it like 5 times.
That's a classic. I love the fashion scenes.
Me too. They're so satisfying.
You know, it's really nice talking with you like this.
Same here. It's easy to talk to you.
I'm glad. Some people make conversation feel like a job interview.
True. But this feels natural.
We should do this again sometime, if you want.
I'd like that. Maybe next time we can try that new cafe across town.
Sounds great. I've heard they have amazing pastries.
Perfect. I'm already interested.
Thanks for meeting me today. I had a really good time.
Me too. Let's do it again soon.
Definitely. Sophie? Hey, I didn't expect to see you here.
Daniel! Oh, wow, hi. I didn't think I'd run into anyone I know today.
Yeah, same. I was just grabbing a few things. How have you been?
Pretty good. Just busy with work lately. You?
About the same. Life's been a bit crazy, but nothing too dramatic.
So, what are you shopping for?
Honestly, I'm not sure. I came for bread, but now I'm looking at snacks. You know how it is.
That always happens. You come for one thing and leave with 10.
Exactly. What about you? Breakfast stuff?
Yeah, I'm trying to choose a cereal, but there are too many options.
Do you want something healthy or something fun?
I want something healthy that still tastes good. Hard to find.
True. Most healthy cereals taste like cardboard.
Exactly.
Hey, I need to grab some fruit. Want to walk together?
Sure, why not?
Are you cooking something tonight?
Yeah, I'm thinking pasta, maybe with some vegetables. What about you?
I might just order something. I'm too tired to cook.
You always say that. You should learn some simple recipes.
Trust me, I've tried. Every time I cook, the smoke alarm becomes my biggest fan.
Oh no, that bad?
Let's just say I'm better at eating than cooking.
So, besides almost burning your kitchen, what's new with you?
Not much. I started going to the gym again.
Oh wow, really? How's that going?
Painful. Very painful.
That's normal at the beginning.
What about you? Anything new?
Well, I'm planning a small weekend trip next month.
Nice. Where to?
Maybe the beach. I just need a break from everything.
That sounds perfect. I hope you get good weather.
Anyway, I should finish my shopping. I still need vegetables, pasta, and maybe some chocolate.
Chocolate is essential. Definitely don't forget that.
True.
It was really nice seeing you here. Totally unexpected.
Yeah, same. We should hang out properly sometime, not just in a supermarket.
Definitely. Let's plan something soon.
Okay, I'll text you later.
Great. Take care, Sophie.
You too. Bye.